of IIT Roorkee Virtual Machine Lab. There are two methods for online machine lab. Either I record, perform the experiment in the lab and shooting of that sent to you. And second method is virtual lab using from IIT Roorkee or IIT Guwahati. So IIT Roorkee virtual lab is easy to implement. So I have selected that one. I have given you a link also, ems-itr.vlabs.ac.in, so that so here by clicking on this link we can access this site where electrical engineering, electrical machines, list of experiments are mentioned. As first experiment is to familiarize with the electrical machine laboratory apparatus. Second one is to study the load characteristics of DC shunt generator. Third experiment is speed control of DC motor by field resistance control. Fourth is the speed control of DC motor by armature resistance control. Fifth is to perform the speed control by using Ward-Leonard method of speed control. Sixth is determine the equivalent circuit parameters of transformer from open circuit test and short circuit test. Seventh is to study the magnetization characteristic for DC shunt generator. And eighth is the speed control of slip ring induction motor. So the induction motor is so we will not perform this experiment. Rest we can perform. Okay. So first we will see the familiarization of electrical machine laboratory apparatus. What is the aim of the experiment? Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible and the screen is visible to you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we will familiarize with the what are their apparatus in the electrical machine lab. So first is the resistor. What is the property of resistor? To oppose the flow of current. And resistance is defined as opposition of current, opposition to the current caused by the resistor. Resistance is a property of material. It is measured in ohms. It is equal to what is the voltage drop across that divided by current flowing through it. Okay. So R is V upon R. How resistor look like? So it can be according to the color bands. So band 1, 2, 3, 4 and band 5. There are 5 bands along a resistor. You must have visited in basic electrical machine lab the resistors. So band 1 indicate if 0 is there, it indicates the black color. Black color means 0, brown means 1. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good vibe. To remember the color codes, there is a formula. Okay. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good vibes. So first is black, then brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. 0 to 9. Then band 2, again 0 to 9. Then band 3, 0 to 9. Band 4 is the multiplier. Band 4, if it is of black color, then it is multiplied by the 1. Suppose if first is black, second is brown, third is red. Then what is the value? 0, 1, 2. Then it is multiplied with 1 if fourth band is black. Okay. And band 5 is the tolerance value. If silver band is there, then the tolerance is minus 10%. If gold band is there, then it is minus 5%. And for red and brown, they are respectively plus or minus 2% and 1% respectively. So these are the multipliers. For example, yellow, violet, black, black, brown. Suppose these are the 5 color codes on the resistor. Then for yellow, from the first column, yellow is 4. Then from second column, violet is 7, then black is 0, then multiplier, band 4 is multiplier is 1. So it is what? 470 ohms, and last one is brown. For brown, the tolerance is 1%. So we write 470 ohms and 1% tolerance. This is a color guide for resistor. Is it clear? ऐड नहीं करना है, वो अपना फर्स्ट डिजिट, मतलब ये जो है ना अपना, अ, ये यूनिट प्लेस होगा, ये टेंस होगा और ये वो होगा, ऐड नहीं किया है। एक बताया कि कलर कोड्स है ये, ठीक है। 470 है ये, ऐड करने से तो 4 + 7 तो 11 आ जाता है ना, ये ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है। आप यहाँ से यदि स्टार्ट करोगे, टॉलरेंस पहले आएगा, देन आपका ये आएगा मल्टीप्लायर, और फिर ये आपके डिजिट्स आएंगे, ठीक है, यूनिट्स, टेंस एंड सो ऑन, ठीक है। देन कैपेसिटर, कैपेसिटर इज एनर्जी स्टोरिंग एलिमेंट, और ये इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फॉर्म में एनर्जी स्टोर करता है। कैपेसिटर के भी मल्टीपल टाइप्स होते हैं। कैपेसिटर इज नोन एज अ कंडेंसर, इट इज अ पैसिव टू टर्मिनल इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट, दो टर्मिनल होते हैं इसके। It is used to store the energy electrostatically in an electrical field. The forms of practical capacitors vary widely, but all contain at least two electrical conductor plates. They are separated by a dielectric material called insulator. Okay, so C is equal to epsilon A by D, where epsilon is the permittivity, A is the area, and D is the separation distance between the plates. Okay, so the conductors can be thin films of metal, aluminum foil, or disc, etc. The non-conducting dielectric acts to increase the capacitor's charge capacity. Dielectric can be glass, ceramic, plastic film, air, paper, mica, etc. डायलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल जो यूज करोगे उसके अकॉर्डिंग कैपेसिटर्स के टाइप्स आ जाएंगे। The capacitors are widely used as parts of electrical circuits. कैपेसिटर का एप्लीकेशन क्या होता है? तो रिएक्टिव पावर सपोर्ट देने का, एनर्जी स्टोर करने का इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फॉर्म में, पावर फैक्टर को इंप्रूव करने का, ठीक है। बिकॉज लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर में कैपेसिटर क्या होता है? करंट जो होता है दैट लीड्स द वोल्टेज। So they are widely used as parts of electrical, हाँ
कैपेसिटर टाइप,
हाँ टाइप भी होते हैं, माइका, पेपर, सेंड। अभी टाइप जो है वो यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं है, फिलहाल जो डायग्राम में दिखेगा हम उसका टाइप बता देंगे। इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक टाइप का जो है वो बेसिकली देखते हैं अपन, ब्लू कलर का जो होता है ना, ब्लू में भी दो होते हैं, एक तो लाइट ब्लू और एक जर्मन जैसा दिखता है और एक नेवी ब्लू। तो इस तरह से दो कलर्स होते हैं, तो वो वाला जो होता है वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक टाइप का होता है। फिर जो छोटा सा सर्कल टाइप में होता है आपका, सर्कल टाइप में और ब्राउनिश कलर का होता है, तो वो जो होता है वो सैंड टाइप का होता है, ठीक है। इस तरह से अलग अलग है। कैपेसिटर्स आर यूज्ड एज पार्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट्स इन इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस। Unlike the resistor, capacitor does not dissipate the energy. Instead, it will store the energy in the form of electrostatic field between its plates. Ideal capacitor is characterized by constant capacitance in farads. Capacitance की unit होती है farads in SI system of units. It is defined as ratio of positive or negative charge on each conductor to voltage between them. तो करंट आपका जो होता है dq by dt, that is c dv by dt. Okay, so c is q by v. इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो आप ये आ जाएगा। Now inductor is called the choke. It is another passive electrical component. ये magnetic form में energy store करता है. It is consisting of coil of wire designed to take the advantage by inducing magnetic field in itself or within its core as a result of current flowing through wire coil. Forming a wire coil into inductor result in stronger magnetic field than one produced by simple coil of wire. Number of turns आप जितना increase करते हो उतना आपका MMF increase हो जाता है. Inductors are formed with Wire tightly wrapped around solid central core, which can be either straight cylindrical rod or continuous loop or ring to concentrate their magnetic flux. Schematic symbol for inductor is that of a coil of a wire, so that coil of wire can also be called an inductor. नेक्स्ट पार्ट आता है रियोस्टेट. रियोस्टेट जो है ये क्यों यूज करते हैं हम? रेजिस्टर को वेरी करने के लिए. एडजस्टेबल रेजिस्टर, पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर की तरह. It is an adjustable resistor. It is used in application that require adjustment of current or variation of resistance in an electrical circuit. Rheostat can adjust generator characteristics, dim lights, start or control the speed of motor. Its resistance element can be metal wire or ribbon, carbon और conducting liquid. तो जो हमारे लैब्स में है उसमें वायर होता है, ठीक है, आयरन के ऊपर बाउंडेड. For average currents, the metallic type is the most common one used in the labs. For very small currents, carbon type is used, and for large currents, electrolytic type, in which electrodes are also placed in the conducting fluid, is the most suitable. Okay. Then voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage, potential difference between 2 points in an electrical or electronic circuit. Some voltmeters are intended for using DC circuits, others are designed for alternating circuits. तो इसमें मूविंग कॉइल और मूविंग आयरन टाइप के इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं. मूविंग कॉइल जो होते हैं वो डीसी में यूज होते हैं डीसी मेजरमेंट के लिए, और मूविंग आयरन जो है इट कैन वर्क ऑन बोथ एसी एंड डीसी. तो बेसिक एनालॉग जो आपका डीसी रहेगा, मूविंग कॉइल टाइप का रहेगा, उसमें आपका सपोज ए लिखा रहेगा एमीटर में, तो उसमें नीचे एक अंडरलाइन भी किया हुआ रहेगा. So that indicates it is a DC type. It will measure the DC quantity only. Okay. और जिसमें वो underline नहीं रहेगा, that means it is an AC quantity. Basic analog voltmeter consists of sensitive galvanometer, that is current meter in series with high resistance. Internal resistance of voltmeter should be high because V आपका IR होता है ना, तो यदि R high रहेगा, that means it is measuring the actual value. There is no drop. Otherwise, it will draw significant current and thereby disturb the operation of the circuit under test. Sensitivity of galvanometer and value of series resistance determine the range of voltages that the meter can display. Next is ammeter. Ammeter is used for measuring the current. Current is flow of electrons. Unit is ampere. The instrument which measures the flow of current is ampere meter or ammeter. Ideal ammeter should have zero internal resistance. I is equal to V upon R. So R आपका zero रहेगा, then current will be actual value what is it measuring. But practically ammeter has small internal resistance. Measuring range depends on the value of the resistance. Galvanometer can be converted into ammeter by connecting low resistance called shunt resistance in parallel to the galvanometer. Voltmeter के लिए series में लगाया है resistance और ammeter के लिए parallel में लगाया है. And what is a relay? It detects the abnormal conditions. The basic measuring quantities are voltage, current, and frequency, electrical quantities. So whenever it exceeds its limit or it is under limit, then it is detected by relay. It is a device that open or close the contacts to cause the operation of other electric control. It detects the intolerable or undesirable condition within assigned area and gives the commands to the circuit breaker to disconnect the affected area. It protects the system from damage. It works on the principle of electromagnetic attraction. ये conventional type के relay होते थे जो electromagnetic attraction पे और induction पे काम करते थे. Nowadays there are static relays जो आपके comparator और ये सब subtractor और ICs यूज करके बनाते जाते हैं, और उनमें क्या होता है कि फिर वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल अकॉर्डिंगली होगा. सपोज आपको मेजर करना एक रेफरेंस क्वांटिटी रहेगी, एक एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी रहेगी, देन देयर विल बी कंपैरेटर. इफ योर एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी इज ग्रेटर देन द रेफरेंस क्वांटिटी, मतलब रेटेड से यदि ज्यादा हो गया करंट, तो फिर वो कंपैरेटर का आउटपुट 1 आएगा एंड अकॉर्डिंगली रिले विल ऑपरेट, दैट कॉइल विल बी एनर्जाइज्ड. So then the circuit of the relay senses the fault current, it energizes the electromagnetic field which produces the temporary magnetic field. This field moves the relay armature for opening or closing the contacts. The smaller power relay has only one contact, whereas high power relay will be having two contacts for opening the switch for reliability. Because if one is not operating, then second should open the circuit to avoid the damage to the further equipment. Inner section of the relay is shown in the figure below. It has an iron core wound by the control coil. Power supply is given to the coil through the contacts of the load and the control switch. Current flows to the coil. It produces magnetic field around it. Due to this magnetic field, upper arm of the magnet attracts the lower arm, hence closes the circuit, which makes the current flow. And if contact is already closed, then it moves opposite direction and hence open the contact. So opening or closing of the contact will operate the relay because it will energize or de-energize the coil associated. Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is associated with the protection of the devices. It is a switching device. It interrupts the abnormal or fault current. It is a mechanical device that disturbs the flow of high fault current and in addition performs the function of switch. It is designed for closing or opening of the electrical circuit. It protects the system from damage. So the output of the relay is given to the circuit breaker as input. So circuit breaker will operate and it will on or off according to switch. Auto transformer. Auto transformer क्यों use किया जाता है? Because of variable voltage from fixed voltage. It is with only one winding wound on laminated core. Auto transformer is similar to the two winding transformer, but it differs the way primary and secondary are interrelated because यहाँ पे conduction से भी आपका power transfer होता है और induction से भी power transfer होता है. Part of winding is common to both primary and secondary sides. On load condition, part of load current is obtained directly from supply and remaining part is obtained by transformer action. Transformer is acting as a auto transformer is acting as a voltage regulator. वोल्टेज को कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है बिकॉज आप 230 से मतलब 0 to 230 के बीच में आप वोल्टेज अचीव कर सकते हो. देन प्री टेस्ट quiz sort of there for electrical machine lab. With Ohm's law, if voltage increases, the resistance stays the same. What will happen to current or power or resistance? A option is current remains the same. आपने voltage increase किया, resistance को कुछ change नहीं किया, voltage increase किया तो current भी same. B option है power decrease होगा, C option है current increase होगा और D option है resistance decrease होगा. Which is the correct option? Have you studied Ohm's law? Keeping the physical conditions same, that is temperature, humidity and all external parameters are same, you are varying voltage, then what is the effect on current? Anybody? So what is the first component?
Resistor or diode?
What is the first component for resistor? Resistor is there. This is not diode. Then what is its value? There is gold band, brown, purple, and red. So accordingly, you will calculate the value of this resistor. Then this is what?
Inductor.
Inductor. Yes, very good. This is what?
Capacitor.
Capacitor. Its value is 4.7 microfarad. Voltage rated across can be 250 volt. And this is inductor. Inductor symbol is number of turns आप show करते हैं. Then this is what?
Voltmeter.
Voltmeter, which is measuring DC quantity, because आपने इसको underline किया हुआ है. These terminals cannot be interchanged. Then symbol for voltmeter is like this, V. Then what is this?
Ammeter.
Ammeter.
एमीटर है और एसी टाइप का है, मूविंग आयरन टाइप का है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपका अंडरलाइन नहीं है. इट कैन मेजर फ्रॉम 0 to 100 एम्पियर, 10 degrees divisions. Symbol for ammeter is circle A. Then it is used for measuring electric current. Then this is what?
Rheostat.
रियोस्टेट. रियोस्टेट में आपके ऊपर जो है स्लाइडर होता है, स्लाइड को आप लेफ्ट साइड लेके जाएं, राइट साइड लेके जाएं, अकॉर्डिंगली वेरी द रेजिस्टर. सो दिस इज द वेरिएबल आर्म और मूविंग आर्म स्लाइडर इंडिकेटेड बाय एन एरो, और ये जो है रेजिस्टेंस होता है जिसको आप वेरी कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज अ रियोस्टेट. Its symbol is like this, and by changing the resistance you can control the current flowing through it. So this is DC type voltmeter. के दो टर्मिनल्स क्यों दिखाए हैं? बिकॉज देर आर टू स्केल्स ओवर हियर, फ्रॉम 0 to 5 and from 0 to 3. This is again inductor, this is rheostat. What happens to current and resistance if voltage doubles? Apply the basic equations of Ohm's law. If voltage is doubling,
And current
what
and
would happen to
resistance
current and
doubles. A.
okay, because V is IR. Very good. Then if parallel plate capacitor of plate area 2 meters square and plate separation of 1 meters, storing the charge of 1.77 into 10 raised to power minus 11 coulomb, what is the voltage across the capacitor? What is the formula for voltage across capacitor? Q is equal to CV. So V is equal to Q by C and C is equal to A epsilon by D. Area is given as 2, D is given as 1, Q is given as 1.77 into 10 raised to power minus 11 and epsilon कितना होता है 8.85 into 10 raised to power कितना होता है एब्सोल्यूट जो परमिटिविटी होती है उसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है एप्सिलॉन नॉट की?
8.87 to 10 power minus 12.
हाँ, substitute the values. What is the voltage? 1, 2, 3 or 4? You may solve this later. Then direction of rotation of motor is determined by which law? This
Fleming's law.
studied till now. It is according to Fleming's left hand rule. For motor, left hand rule will be used, and for generator, right hand rule. Plug setting of electromagnetic relay can be varied by varying the adjustable backstop. Backstop vary करते हैं तो number of ampere turns vary होते हैं. Number of turns vary होते हैं ampere turns में. तो ये adjustable backstop आएगा. ये भी आपने अभी नहीं पढ़ा है. It is not of use. Sensitivity of voltmeter is given by sensitivity कैसे measure करते हैं?
Ma'am, A and B
Sensitivity
both
is
ohms per volt and reciprocal of full scale deflection current.
have you studied this?
मैम 9th-10th में कुछ टॉपिक्स थे तो उनसे रिलेट करके
Both A and B. Because आप कितना वोल्टेज वेरी कर रहे हो तो अकॉर्डिंगली रेजिस्टेंस कितना वेरी. आइडियली तो रेजिस्टेंस बहुत हाई होता है वोल्टमीटर. आंसर इज फर्स्ट का डी है. करंट डबल्स एंड रेजिस्टेंस रिमेन्स द सेम. ओके, वो दोनों डबल नहीं होंगे. देन सेकंड का
दोनों में से
आंसर है
कोई एक डबल होगा.
आपका जो आ रहा है वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर 1 वोल्ट. डायरेक्शन ऑफ रोटर Fleming's left hand rule. Plug setting is altered by varying number of ampere turn. Sensitivity is given by both A and B. So references for these are these books. Need Mohan, Drives की है, किटले की है. Drives machines की तो एक है, तो क्रॉस की. So आज हमने इक्विपमेंट्स देखे किसका क्या पर्पस है. बाकी हमारे आरटीयू सिलेबस में मशीन लैब में कौन कौन से एक्सपेरिमेंट है वो हम और देख लेते हैं. एक बार लिस्ट. ये तो हमने जो आईआईटी रुड़की की वर्चुअल लैब में थी वो देखी है. हमारे सिलेबस में कौन So in the RTU syllabus, we are having total 11 experiments. First is to perform the OC and SC test on single phase transformer and determine the parameters of equivalent circuit, its voltage regulation and efficiency. So that we will perform in virtual lab. Second one is to perform the Sampler's test on two identical single phase transformers and find their efficiency and parameters of equivalent circuit. Third is to determine the efficiency and voltage regulation of single phase transformer by direct loading. That is, you will connect the load to the transformer on secondary side and you measure the voltage and current and power factor, power in the wattmeter, so that you can determine the efficiency and voltage regulation. Fourth one is the heat run test on delta-delta connected three-phase transformer and determine the parameters for its equivalent circuit. तो ये आपके जो फर्स्ट थ्री एक्सपेरिमेंट्स है ये सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफॉर्मर पे हो रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द थ्री फेज ट्रांसफॉर्मर. So first is to calculate the heat run test and determine the parameters for equivalent circuit. Fifth is to perform the parallel operation of the transformer to obtain data to study load sharing. पैरेलल ऑपरेशन पढ़ना है. फिर सेपरेशन ऑफ नो लोड लॉसेस, हिस्टेरेसिस और एडी करंट लॉसेस जो बेस्ड ऑन फ्रीक्वेंसी किए थे हमने इन सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफॉर्मर. दिस इज अगेन ऑन सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफॉर्मर. And to study the conversion of three phase supply to two phase supply using spot connection. Spot connection is there. तो यहाँ तक 7 एक्सपेरिमेंट्स जो है हमारे फर्स्ट रोटर के ये हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स. उसके बाद मशीन स्टार्ट होती है. ठीक है, तो जब हम मशीन पढ़ेंगे तब हम मशीन के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करेंगे. पहले हम ये सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स देखेंगे. फिर मशीन में हमारे कौन कौन से हैं. वैसे स्पीड कंट्रोल करनी है डीसी शंट मोटर की बाय फील्ड कंट्रोल मेथड एंड प्लॉट द कर्व, ग्राफ प्लॉट करनी है. सेकेंड मेथड से करनी है स्पीड कंट्रोल, फिर उसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करनी है. थर्ड में आपको डिटरमाइन करनी है एफिशिएंसी ऑफ डीसी शंट मशीन बाय परफॉर्मिंग स्विनबर्न टेस्ट. एंड लास्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट इज हॉपकिंसन टेस्ट करना है दो डीसी शंट मशीन पे and obtain the efficiency at various levels. So the last 4 experiments, 8 to 11, are from motor side and 7 experiments are from transformer. Out of this, 4 are on single phase transformer and 3 are on three phase transformer. Clear? So we will see this in next class. Till then you may practice. You may make an account on that IIT Roorkee virtual lab. I have shared the 2 documents, one as PDF and one as Word. Word one was performed by me and I observed the document. So print screen करते हुए मैंने जो है बना दिया. मैंने कहा पता नहीं आपकी स्पीड कैसी हो मोबाइल में. उस टाइम जब मैं क्लास ली तो मैंने ये दिखाया है. बाकी आप लोग उसको प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. So now I am taking the attendance.